January's almost over. I just found out the other day that January is supposed to be a dry month. So next January, I'm going to sleep through the whole month next year. And the bartender, she told me personally that don't drink in January. She said it's a dry month. I said move to Kansas. Kansas used to be a dry state. Now she thinks I'm yelling at her. And I would never yell at you. I love you, girlfriend. Anyhow, it was nice meeting Greg. It was nice meeting Greg. I got a couple of shout outs today. Joe, your cooking guide. Joe does some pretty good cooking, and he is a good guide, so he'll guide you through the cooking. He's a new sub friend, and there you go. And my next one is cooking and barbecue. Of course, I put all this down there so you can read their sites and go subscribe to them. Fein Dining. You guys are Fein Dining. I like it. I like the name, Fein Dining. Their last name is Fine, I guess. But they're a pretty fine channel. You got to get on there and watch them and sub them too. And last but not least, good golly, Miss Molly Purcell. Molly, I love your channel. I got to start ketoing stuff. Molly does keto food. Today I already pre-made my cocktail. I put in 4 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Cointreau, 3 ounces of vanilla vodka.
Whoa.
I let it soak overnight. In strawberries.
Woo.
In strawberries, I let it soak. Then I put the strawberries and the whole mix in the blender, and I blended it up. And now I'm going to let you watch me double strain it, because people like to watch me.
Is that for one drink? All that booze?
No, it's for 2. I'm going to drink them both.
Okay.
None for you.
Okay.
You don't get any. You know why?
Okay, I'll get my scotch and water. I'll be happy.
I'm going to double strain it. And this might take a while because the stuff is pretty thick. And I already put ice in it. I shook it up. And look at it go. Look at it go. Will you just look at it? Will you just look at it?
Wow.
Yeah, I know. I'm wowing myself. I'm wow.
You're impressed?
I'm impressed. I'm deflated.
Doesn't take much.
I'll save the rest for later. Where's my jacuzzi? I double strained it, but I put the pulp in anyhow.
Oh, I was gonna. Okay.
And here you go. I'm going to taste it now. This is going to be mighty powerful.
Your garnish.
Oh!
Garnish.
Oh! I got to get the garnish. There you go. An umbrella with a pineapple. Okay, I take out the garnish. You know why? I'm going to put on a dollop of whipped cream.
Oh my. Oh my.
I had the garnish. I took it out. That is good. It's a strawberry martini. Strawberry martini, homemade. I made it myself. I'm getting to be like Rob at Rob's Home Bar. Boy, am I dropping the names today. I am dropping the names today. And Dave, Booze on the Rocks, are you jealous? You jealous, Dave? This is a good one, Dave. You're going to try this out. Anyhow, don't forget to get a vaccine. Wear a mask. Don't be stupid. If you have to have a kidney transplant or a heart transplant or something, make sure you get the vaccine. People are stupid out there. They'd rather die than get a vaccine. And say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.